Delete your Gmail account. First, open a browser and go to google.com. Make sure you sign into the right Google account, which is you want to remove Gmail account. Now, click on the account icon. Then, go to Manage your Google account. And, select on the left, Data and Privacy option. Now, scroll and go to Data from apps and services you use. Then, find and select Delete a Google service. Type your Gmail password here. And, click on the Next. Here you can delete your Gmail account. For this, click on the Delete icon. In this field, you cannot use any Gmail address. You have to use a Yahoo or Outlook email address, like this. Then, click on the Send Verification Email. Now, a verification email is sent to the email address that you provided here. Click on Got It. And, go to your email inbox section. You will get an email from Google, like this. Click on it. In this mail, you get a link like this. Click again. Now, you will get this page. Scroll down, and, check this box. Then click on the Delete Gmail button. Wait for initiating deletion. Congratulations! You successfully deleted your Gmail from Google account. Thanks for watching.